Humans and other organisms are made up of these tiny microscopic things called cells. The cell is the basic unit of life and is so small that you can probably only see with a microscope. Cells are divided into two separate types based on the organelles they contain. Organelles are the tiny parts that help the cell work and survive on its own. Now, my friends, let's look at the main organelles in a cell. The nucleus is probably the first thing that comes to mind when you see a cell. It controls the activities of the cell and watches over every organism. Next to the nucleus is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is one of the two folded organelles and makes proteins. The other folded organelle is the Golgi apparatus. It combines proteins and delivers them to the rest of the cell. The mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. They break down food particles and release the stored energy within. You could say that they are the generators that fuel the cell's energy. A vacuole is a large sac-like organelle that stores excess food, waste, and other substances. I like to call it the trash bin organelle, due to it operating similarly to a trash bin. The chloroplasts are membrane-bound organelles that convert the sun's energy through photosynthesis. Chloroplasts convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar and oxygen. Chloroplasts are only found in plant cells. Next, the lysosomes are organelles that break down food and digest waste. These are only found in animal cells. The cytoplasm is the filling that surrounds each of the organelles. This is where food and oxygen move from organelle to organelle. The cytoplasm holds the many ribosomes found within. These organelles help make proteins. The cell membrane is the thin covering that holds the cytoplasm and the organelles inside the cell. In only animal cells, however, the cell membrane is the outer layer of the cell. The outer layer of plant cells is the cell wall. The cell wall is a rigid structure that surrounds the cell membrane. It provides the cell with strength. Those are all the main organelles you may need to know for your upcoming science test, if you have one. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you like to remember each of the organelles. I don't usually post educational content, but this video was a very fun idea and it was fun to make, and I hope you enjoyed watching it too. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.